Hey guys, John at Vapor Honing Technologies here today, showing off our sister company, brand new, well, kind of brand new. We started in 2019 as a contract manufacturing service, specifically in controls and metal fabrication. We wanted to debut and show off what we've been doing behind the scenes as a sister company behind Vapor Honing Technologies, and how Rapid Metal Fab has supported Vapor Honing Technologies in the growth trajectory that it's been on. Today we have a bunch of parts in front of us that Rapid Metal Fab has created and continues to create on a daily, weekly basis for many other companies. Also, we're going to show you some of the controls work that Rapid Metal Fab is actually doing as well to also help Vapor Honing Technologies. We're super excited about introducing this new business to you simply because we as a company and OEM manufacturer used to struggle with getting parts quickly. So if you have an application where you might need a fabricated metal part, some welding, some laser cutting flat parts, some bending, then please give us a call. We can always help with that need and that application. We have tons of extra capacity. We've ramped up over the year here to really help out and produce for Vapor Honing Technologies on the Rapid Metal Fab side, just because we have been on such a massive growth trajectory, and it's been a very painful experience, but yeah, a very fun experience. But hope you guys enjoy what you're going to see in the video and what our capabilities are. If you have questions, go check out the website, rapidmetalfab.com. Also have Facebook, also have Instagram and YouTube as well. So go show all the channels some love like you guys do with Vapor Honing Technologies. And please, if you do have questions or comments, leave them below or shoot the company an email or give them a call. As always, thanks for watching.